Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. Today I'd like to talk about my FLUKE i400. And this is an AC clamp adapter. You can use this to take amp measurements with a multimeter, and this just works with just about any multimeter you have that has an amp measurement on it. Now, the pros and cons with this is the maximum amount of amperage measurement that you can take with this is up to 10 amps. Also, and the reason why I keep this, I guess you may say, well, I could just use a clamp meter for that. Well, you can, but if you're doing data logging and you're troubleshooting, this will come in handy with a multimeter, especially if you're using a data logging multimeter. And the only multimeter that I use this with, when I did use it or when I'm going to use it, I use it with my FLUKE 289, which I can take data logging readings as far as amps and measurements over a period of time. This just fits right in here. The black always go in the common, and the amp always go on here. Let me see, got in the wrong one. You put it on milliamps right here, and you should be ready to go. And you should be ready to go and set it on data logging. And this is a graphical multimeter, and you can take data logging measurements. So that's why I haven't gotten rid of this, and this is very important to me when I'm troubleshooting. Any kind of electrical problems that I'm having. So that's why I still have this. And this is the FLUKE i400 AC current clamp, and this is a real good thing to have. You guys who doing things other than just doing installation work, if you're out there troubleshooting, this would be something very nice to have along with a multimeter like this FLUKE 289. This is a real good multimeter, but this is the accessory that you want with it, aside from other accessories too that you want to buy to go along with this. But this helped me out a lot when I was working inside of a plant, and we used to have to troubleshoot conveyor belts and things like that. They had all kinds of spikes in them and so on and so forth. Trouble that we had to spend time like a needle in a haystack, basically. And this helped me out a great deal. I've used it several, not as much in the commercial setting, but I have used it also. Used it a few times. And I've used it, I never used it in the residential before, but commercial and industrial, I've used this a great deal before, and it came in handy. So I'm making a short video just to let you guys know, if you don't have one of these and you was to run across one of these, don't pass it by for a good price. Don't pass it by. This is a real good thing to have. You may not use it as often as you expect, but you'll have it when you need it. Because if you plan on being electrical or electrician, you're going to run into problems like that, and you want to be covered. You want to have all the tools that you need, and this is one of them that you're going to need. So again, before I leave, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. As always, thank you guys for all the comments that you leave. I really appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for all all the feedback I get. I really appreciate it. With that being said, you guys stay smart and work safe. And you guys be safe out there. Peace out.